Have you seen these cool action figures that are going viral everywhere on the internet? I'm going to show you how to create these in just a few minutes for free with ChatGPT, and I will even show you how you can make them come alive and wave at you or step outside of the packaging. Let's get right to it. Head over to ChatGPT, and if you don't have a free account yet, set one up. And make sure that you select the GPT-4o model. This is the structure of the prompt, and I've linked it down in the description for you to use for free. This structure of prompt works well for me, but you can experiment with it and alter it if you like. Use this image to create a picture of an action figure toy of a type of person in a blister package from head to toe with accessories including, and then you do a list of the things that you want to be included. The package should read, and then put your own name or the type of toy that it is. And then the last thing I usually include is that the action figure package is in front of a plain white background. Here's an example of how I would use it. Use this image to create a picture of an action figure toy of a firefighter in a blister package from head to toe with accessories including a fire hose, a helmet, and a mask. The package should read, Mo the firefighter. The action figure is in front of a plain white background. Now we need to upload a reference image. Here's an image of myself that I'm going to use to make the action figure look like me. Now we just click this upload button. And here we go. It took a reference image of myself. It gave it a yellow jacket just as I am wearing it right now. And here are the 3 accessories that we wanted to be included. This is a great start, but if you want to change anything about your character, you can simply do so by prompting it right here in this text box. I want this to look more like a firefighter. So I'm going to say the firefighter action figure should have a full firefighting gear on and not just casual clothes. Let's resubmit this. There we go. Here's the firefighter, and in this case is wearing the mask itself instead of having it as an accessory. This is not exactly what I wanted because now you cannot see this firefighter's face, but it will do for the purpose of this video. Now the question is, how do we turn this into a video? For this, I will use a software called Kling AI. I'm going to sign up for free with my Kling account. And on the left-hand side, I'm going to click on the video Kling 2.0 version. Let's first download our image. And now let's upload it as a reference image in the image to video section under the video generation in Kling. I'm going to select the image as the input image. This is my prompt, and I have not selected a negative prompt, but this is where you could put that you don't want anything in particular to be included. For example, text or animals or anything like that. And then the last thing we're going to select here is a 5-second video and 1 output video. And down here, we see that it costs us 100 credits, but we get 166 credits for free with this plan. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select Kling 1.6 because it only takes 20 credits instead of 100 credits. So let's generate this and see what we get. We just submitted the task and it is now generating the video, and it just finished. So let's check it out. There we go. It is stepping outside of the box and then it looks like it's falling out. If it doesn't work on the first try, you can simply regenerate it, or you can try a different prompt. In this case, let's try something different, and I'm just going to say, make this action figure wave at the camera. And there we go. It just finished the generation. Let's check it out. And it is waving at the camera. That is exactly what we wanted. On the bottom right corner, we can now click download this video, and we can now post it to social media in order to go viral or to make our friends laugh. If this is the kind of content you like, I have a few videos that I'm editing right now that showcase how you can use these type of tools in order for your business or to be more productive. So check out my channel and subscribe if that's for you. Like this video if it was helpful. If you like creating videos with AI video generators, I made a video on how to use a tool completely for free that is actually the best tool out there on the market. So I think you would like watching that next. Peace out.